At Lamps Plus, we get asked this a lot. How should I clean my ceiling fan? Well, here are some tips to help you out. But before we get started, a few do's and don'ts. Do make sure that your fan is turned off and the blades have come to a complete stop before you begin. Don't use harsh cleaning solvents, baby wipes, or rubbing alcohol. Now, all of these can damage or stain the finish on your blade and motor. Now, most dusting sprays are okay, just check the label directions before you use them. Now, you're probably going to need a step ladder, so get someone to help spot the ladder for you. And fans can get really dirty, so spread out an old blanket or newspapers on the floor to catch any falling dust. A final don't: vacuum cleaners. When you use a vacuum, it's very easy to put downward pressure on the blades. Now, this can throw them out of alignment, so we don't recommend using vacuums. Instead, use one of the following methods. The pillowcase method is very simple. What you do is slide a pillowcase over a fan blade, remembering not to put any downward pressure on the blade. Pull the pillowcase along the blade. All the dust stays inside the case. It's very easy. For lighter cleans, use an old sock or a cotton or microfiber cloth. You then wipe along the blade or the surface that you're cleaning. There are also commercially available blade dusters that you can purchase. Now, with these, you're definitely going to want to put down a blanket or some newspapers to catch all of that falling dust. You're going to want to make sure not to put any downward pressure on the blade. Repeat one of these steps every 3 or 4 months, or as needed. Make sure to come to lampsplus.com if you have any questions, and like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.